The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupyansk direction, aviation, artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Zapad Group of Forces have engaged the units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Urochishche Mankovka and Timkovka in Kharkov region and Novoselovskoye in Lugansk People's Republic. The enemy's losses in this direction during the day amounted to over 35 Ukrainian troops, 2 motor vehicles, and a self-propelled artillery howitzer. In the Krasny Liman direction, technical and army aviation and artillery of the Center Group of Forces have inflicted a fire damage on enemy units close to Chervonaya Dibrova in Lugansk People's Republic, Terny and Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Total enemy losses in this direction amounted to up to 80 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 1 D-20 howitzer. Moreover, an ammunition depot of the 66th Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine was obliterated close to Nevskoye in Lugansk People's Republic. In total, 407 airplanes, 228 helicopters, 3,747 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 anti-aircraft missile systems, 8,659 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,082 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,576 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,487 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, the armed forces of Ukraine reported that Russia lost 500 servicemen within a day, including 16 armored vehicles, 4 tanks, and 7 artillery units. In total, Russia lost 181,090 servicemen since the start of the conflict, including 3,650 tanks, 7,069 armored personnel carriers, 2,784 artillery units, as well as 307 fighter jets, 293 helicopters and 2,339 drones. Russia and Ukraine conflict last for 414 days. There is still no peace talk between two sides. The Ukrainian military also released footage of destroying Russian fortifications using HIMARS MLRS from America. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky swore not to forgive Russia invaders. There is something that no one in the world can ignore: how easily these beasts kill. We are not going to forget anything. Neither are we going to forgive the murderers. There will be legal responsibility for everything. The defeat of terror is necessary, Zelensky said.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!